Hello, 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 guys. How is everybody? I hope everybody has a great weekend. Today is Friday. We're getting ready for the weekend, and hopefully sales will just be absolutely fantastic. We all have smiles on our faces come Monday. But anyway, this is my Friday show, and I'm going to show you what's sold and just go over a few things real quick, and let's go ahead and dive right into it. Oh, back in my office again. I've been working trying to get it cleaned up and everything. It's been a mess. So finally got it all organized, semi-organized, and I'm back in here and it's nice and quiet back here. But anyway, all right, when I had a video, I think it was a video before last, I talked about where your coupon was and it's hidden, it was they don't send you notifications in your email anymore. And I've got some response from folks, a couple of folks, and saying they thanked me for having a video that they too didn't know where their coupon was and they thought they'd either used it or they didn't qualify for it any longer. So I'm going to real quick go over again in case you missed that show on where your coupon is. And you'll get it quarterly if you have a store. Now this is only for folks that have a store, and you'll get your coupon quarterly. And let's go over, let me see, go ahead and lower this, and we're going to walk through the steps one more time, okay? All right, you're going to go up here, and you see where I'm at up here, and then you're going to go ahead and go to account settings. And then you're going to hover over account, and you're going to go to manage my store. Okay, and over here on the left, I believe it's going to be you guys left, you'll see subscriber discounts and the word new beside it. Click on subscriber discounts. Okay, and it disappeared. Let's go back. Okay, subscriber discounts. Okay, well, it's not working for some reason or another. eBay must be having a problem. But that's where you're going to find it, guys. When you click on that subscriber discounts, your coupon's going to be right inside of there, and you'll be able to see it and everything. So let's go ahead and raise me back up. There we are. All right. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you a few things that I've sold. And I'm trying to find something that we can do, guys. I'm thinking about, I'm not rich or anything like that. I've only been doing eBay a little over a year. And I'd like to do some kind of contest, some kind of thing, and do a giveaway. So I'm working with that and trying to see if I can do it. I know a lot of the resellers that do videos on eBay, they do giveaways and everything. Oh, and one of the ones you need to watch tonight, if you went over and joined his Instagram, he's Wade Venture, and you got to do that, guys. Go join Wade, and he's awesome, awesome, awesome. And he is doing a giveaway tonight, and all the directions on how to be in his giveaway is on his Instagram. Or you can scooch over and watch his videos. But subscribe to his YouTube channel, subscribe to his Instagram, and he's going to be doing a giveaway tonight. But it's Wade Venture. So join him tonight, and everything will be on there, and he can show you how to do that and everything. But I think you have to sign up before he does the show. So hop on over there. I'm a subscriber. You be a subscriber too. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out what I can do, and everyone knows I've been trying to learn vintage. So I'm trying to learn vintage. So I thought maybe we do a, is this vintage or is this not vintage kind of contest thing, I don't do live videos, so I'm trying to figure out how to do that. So give me a week or so to work around with that, and maybe I'll start doing some giveaways. That would be fun. I think that'd be a lot of fun. But anyway, okay, I'm going to show you what sold for me this week and a little bit of what sold last week. And guys, I didn't make a fortune, but these pennies add up. They really do. And I'm mainly clothing sales, and my clothing sales are not in the $100 ranges or anything like that. They are low-end clothing sales, and these are some of the things that I sold that sold fairly quickly and that are good items that you might have in your thrift store and you might want to pick up as well. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go all the way over to this one. This is an Ann Taylor Loft white open blazer, and you can see, oop, well, you can see it. It's nice cotton blazer, and it was just really nice. It does wrinkle really bad, so that was kind of I was like, oh, okay. But it does wrinkle really bad. So it was hard to steam out. And guys, here's a side note. If you have a steamer, be very careful. Those steamers can really, really hurt. They really can. But this was sold $18, and I don't know why this is saying fast and free, because I charge shipping. I don't know why this is here. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing this since I pulled it up. So I'm going to have to look at my listings, guys, see what's going on. But this was not free. I charged shipping on this. So, alrighty then. Okay, let me go over to this one. Okay, if you are a member of my Instagram, which is Resale Remedy, you saw me posting this today. This is a vintage Scotch and soda, and it's a made to wear and wear. That's what it says on the tag. Made to wear and wear. And I'm going to show you the tag. There's the tag, and you can see where it says made to wear and wear. And I try not to get my fingers in the picture, guys. I really do, because I do not have a manicure or anything, but sometimes you just can't help it. You really can't. But anyway, this thing sold. I listed this. If you're not a member of Instagram, and I said on my Instagram, I listed this within 5 minutes. This sold. And it sold fast. I mean, it was crazy. It's a very well-made shirt. And it has this little tag on the bottom of it, and on the sleeve it has another Scotch and soda tag. So it was really cool. This sold. So this must have been worth a lot more than I listed. This just goes to show you guys. I mean, I looked up comps on this, and the comps were all over the place. So there was nothing really outstanding high or anything like that. So I just went for the semi-highest price I could think to list it, and I figured I'd try it at that, and it sold right off the bat. It sold. So very happy with that sale. Next, this little guy. This came out of my daughter's closet when she cleaned her closet, and he actually had been up for quite some time. I redid the pictures when I got my new phone, and look how cute he is. But you see how clear and crisp the pictures are. It looks really good. But he sold as well, and they paid shipping on him. All right. This right here is a brand new Lane Bryant gold shimmer top. This is a new, I'm starting to take pictures of the tops at this angle, and I've noticed that they're getting more attention when you take this kind of shot. So, okay, let me show you this. This is the front shot. This is normally what I put up there. That's the first thing that you see. And that normally is what you see. So I started doing this kind of shot, and it's getting a lot of attention. It really is. On a few things I've sold that's had this shot on it. I don't know whether it's just the clothing itself or whether it is the picture, but I'm going to keep doing it, guys. It seems to be working. And I do this shot when I cross post to Poshmark as well. And I'm going to do that on next Wednesday. It'll be Tuesday or Wednesday when I do a midweek show. And I'm going to show you what I do to cross post on Posh as well. All right. Going on next. This is a size 3X purple Nike athletic wear shirt. I put men's on it, but to be honest, I'm pretty sure this is men's, but I think a lady could wear this as well. I don't see why not. So this is just your basic dry fit purple athletic wear, and these things sell really good. I've got a few of these listed. These sell really good. Oh, this was cute. This was my daughter's cookbook, and I listed this. I've had it listed for a little while, and I never moved the price on it. It's always been $5, but it finally sold. I think the same woman who bought the Gold Shimmer Tank Top bought this. I believe that was the same person. But this is a really, really cute book. And you can see the difference in the photos, guys. This is my old camera compared to what my new camera on my phone takes now. But this sold. Okay. Next, oop, that's not cubed up, is it? All right. This is a Chico's Animal Scroll, a Rachel tank. And this was so cute. I mean, it's a big girl top. And I've also started doing this too, guys. I've been putting this in some of these tanks, Chico's especially. The back, it just says 3. And if you saw my show a few shows back, I had a customer that bought a Chico's top from me that said medium large. And she wanted to return the item because she said she was a 2 and has always been a Chico's size 2. And nowhere in the listing did I put Chico's size 2 because the tag said ML. And that's what I put in the listing. So I've started changing the Chico's listings around a little bit. If it says a size 3, I'll put a large 16-18. I'll actually look up the conversion on it to see what it really is. And also on there, I'll also put on there too, for proper fit, please measure a shirt or blouse you have to compare to the listing. So, but these you have to be really careful of. These and another one, I can't think of it right now, but maybe we'll run across it here. This was such a cute dress, and I wrestled with this to see if this was vintage. I couldn't remember what, I don't know whether it was vintage or not, but I went ahead and just listed it at $25, and I took a best offer on this of $18, and it sold for $18 plus shipping. But it was so cute. Look at this dress, guys. I mean, this looks like something out of a maybe 1950s, 60s. I'd say 60s, not 50s. But real cute dress. And it sold. So, okay. Next one is, these were left over from my pet shop days, and I had put them on there. Found them in the shed when I was cleaning out. And the boxes were pretty worn, and these were kitty pan liners. I put 2 of them for $4, and they actually sold for $4, and someone actually paid $6.70 shipping on them. So don't discount anything, guys. Here's another thing, don't discount it. I found a whole bunch of miscellaneous hard plastic dinosaurs. These are nothing special. Just a bunch of hard plastic dinosaurs. Sold them for $3 plus $3.75. Well, $2.99 plus $3.75 shipping. And last one. Nope, that's it. That's it. Okay, that's my what sold. I don't have anything basically to show you. I didn't get anything ready. I've had a busy day. I went and got my mom's groceries already. And as soon as I finish this and get it ready to upload, I'm going out to cut some grass. So, and it's hot out there, guys. Really, really hot. But that's some of my what solds. And that's it. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. And I hope to see you guys next week. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. I mean, I haven't been selling a whole long time, but if I don't have the answer, I will find the answer out for you. But you guys take care. This is Cindy, the Resale Remedy, saying see ya. Bye, guys.